Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with some purchase I have done recently from Miniso, and here I'm with the products haul of Miniso. So without further ado, let's start the video. The first thing I have bought from Miniso is this eye shades, and these are really nice to put on your eyes so that you can get a very good sleep and any shadows coming on your face. So yeah, this is very good for that. It retails for 190 rupees and including all taxes, and it's a shade like these. It has adjustable band behind it like that. It also comes with this sort of gel in it. It says you can put this gel in the refrigerator and then you can put it inside it and directly put it on your eyes. So it's a good thing, I think. The second thing that I got it from Miniso is this. I'm really drawn towards the fragrances, so wherever I see the fragrances I have to buy it. It's a unique deodorant body spray in passion. It's a non-gas deodorant. It's a 150 ml product and it retails for rupees 150, and it has a very strong sort of fragrance which I like. So yeah, the second thing is also a fragrance. It's a Night's Tale. It's a perfume. It's a very mini perfume sort of thing, and it retails for 360 rupees, and I really like it because you can carry it in your handbag right away because it has this tiny, and it is a very nice fragrance. I really love it, and you can carry it in your bags, handbags. You can carry it in on your trips. So yeah, it is very useful, I think. The next thing that I bought is these hairband, and I was really looking for some hairband for the cleanups and the facials at home, and of course I have to shoot some videos on it as well. So it has a bow like this. It's in polka dots, and it's a really flexible and really soft. It's a really soft material. You can, it's a like that teddy bear material or that soft blanket sort of material. It is that soft and I really like it, and it retails for rupees 150. Next thing I purchased is this orange notebook, and it retails for 200, I think, because I think I lost the price tag. But it's a really nice notebook, and you can carry it anywhere if you are very fond of writing. I'm really fond of writing, so I really like this sort of things. And the paper quality is so nice, and you can see, can you see that it's all blank, no lines or anything sort of that, and I really like it. Of course, talking about the beauty, I have to buy this sheet mask, and it retails for rupees 60 only. You can get these in a very much variety there. It's a natural facial mask. It's a French chamomile. This you can see it here. And I know if you are using sheet mask on your daily basis, you know that it retails for 100 or above like that if you go for a good brand. But in rupees 60, this sheet mask, you can really try on that and see if it works for you. The next thing I bought is this Miniso compressed facial sheet mask. You can use, if you don't want to use these sheet masks, you can definitely go with these. It comes in this sort of packaging. It's a really tiny, easy to carry, easy to travel with, and whenever you want to try it, you just have to dip into your DIYs toners or just directly in the rose water or anything like that, and it will expand like the whole sheet mask that would fit on your face. So yeah, this is really nice, I think, and it is the number of is 40 pieces you will get in 190 rupees. So I would say if you really into DIYs that you make for yourself, then definitely go for it. The next thing I bought is this. It's a facial cotton pads. It is very good for cleansing your face. It is very nice for taking off your makeup and everything, because going for all that heavy sort of product, they come in very less quantity, and these are 150 pieces guys. And you can see that it's a cotton pad. It's very really nice for taking off your makeup. I'm going to use it for more of that only, or maybe the facial and cleaning things. So these are really helpful for you, and it retails for 190 rupees. So I think it's a really good purchase. If you really want to go for any sort of thing like that, then definitely you should try it. Well, I was looking for fragrances again, but in another form. I was looking for a good candles. So here I bought this Miniso Elegant series scent candles, and I am in the fragrance Delicate Lavender. And let me show you, it comes in this beautiful packaging. You will get this candle. Can you see that? It is 150 grams of the product. The looks are really nice and classy. It will go with any interior of your house, and it is that, and it smells really lavender. So good. It is also a very good thing that is in their packaging is that if you want to get to see how the fragrance is and it really appeals you or not, then there is this sort of opening in that, and you just have to smell it from here, and it smells so good, and you get to know that how it is appealing you, or do you like the fragrance or not, and then you can choose to buy it or not. So it's a really good thing to add this in the packaging itself, so you don't have to make one for testers and another for sale purposes. So I think this is really nice idea. The next thing and the last thing that I bought from Miniso is this Inkjet series diffuser sticks, and it is again have this fragrance opener. I'm in the scent lemongrass, and it's a 100 ml product. Let me show you how it is. So it has this sort of packaging, and there are sticks in it like that. These are 6 sticks in that, and there is the pot which has a lemongrass scent in it, and I'm trying to open it. So it just open like this, and you have to just put the sticks into it, and you just leave it on your table. If you are looking for any sage purposes, if you are looking for just enhancing the feel of your room or feel of your home, or if you want to just try out the diffusers and the candles, then you can definitely go with these. And these are really good quality products, and I forgot to tell you the price of it. It retails for 250 rupees. I think with 250 rupees it's a must buy. You must have to try it, because it is really soothing, it is really relaxing, and it would give you a great feel in your room. So yeah, this is all that I have purchased from Miniso recently. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to give thumbs up to this video, and I will see you in my next video. But if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell icon, so new video you will come to know about it. And I will see you in another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.